Okay, so some things that I bought off of somebody from Costa Rica showed up. I got two Ruko 500s. This one that is not in the vise has gins in it, I believe. This one I don't think has gins. This is a Ruko 600 and an Asa 700. So today they came in the mail. I got the two 500s open so far. This is the one I got first, so I'm going to do the video on that one first. Alright, let's see. To try to get into this, I'm going to use a pry bar in 50 thousandths, top of the keyway. I'm going to use my Peterson standard hook. Click on one. Okay, so one. Maybe nothing on two. One, two. Click on three. One, two, three, four. A couple of clicks out of five. One. Counter rotation. Another click out of two. Maybe go some out of three, some out of five again. So let's see, one, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, something out of five. One, two, three, four, but that's really high set, so I dropped number five. I dropped number one. It feels like two, three, four. Three, four, five. Okay. Maybe I'll set one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, five, and it's open. I'm not exactly sure what kind of pins are in this one. I may take it apart and do a video, but it definitely feels like some kind of serrateds or spools. Maybe the it's not an Asa, it's a Ruko. Either way, I mean, this is a very fun lock to pick.